Hey everybody. I'm in my car because I want to talk to you about something that is very personal, and I don't want anybody to hear me or interrupt me or anything, because if you're watching this video, it's very personal to you too. See, I'm in my car. Um, the title of this video is how to get rid of the odor down there. And if you have an odor down there, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Please watch this all the way to the end. And if you would like and share, that would be great, because when this happened to me a few years ago, I asked all my friends, my sisters, the doctors. No, they acted like I was crazy, like, well, there's something wrong with you, and the doctors couldn't find anything. And so please share this, because even though this video may not be for you, it may be for someone 1,000 miles away from you that is possibly even thinking about taking their life. I'm going to try not to cry on this video. So if you would watch it all the way to the end and share it with somebody. And it might be long, I hope not, but when COVID hit, I had just retired and moved back here to be with my family, and COVID hit, and I had to stay in my son's barn for 2 months because I wasn't allowed to be around the children in case I got COVID. And I totally understand, because when it first came out, they didn't know if your child got COVID, they would take them away from you. Well, anyway, so it's okay. That's what grandmas do, you know. And I was sitting there one night, and I smelled this horrible smell. And it's just like I couldn't get away from it. I had never smelled it before. So I thought, well, there must be a dead mouse or something in the wall somewhere, rotten, a dead mouse or something rotten in the wall. And I kept looking and looking. And then, oh my God, I thought, that's me. That horrible, ungodly odor is coming from me. Never in my life had I smelled anything that bad coming from me. So I went to the doctor, I asked people, I prayed, I tried all these different things. The doctor said, excuse me, the doctor said there was nothing wrong with me. But, okay, it's in my head or whatever. So one time I was on the internet. I don't remember if it's Facebook or YouTube or what, but I found a group of people, and they were talking about how bad their odors were, and it was so sad. There were people on there that their husbands had divorced them. Their boyfriends didn't want anything else to do with them. They thought they were stinking, nasty, unclean people. And if you're watching this video and this has ever happened to you or a friend, you know I'm telling the truth. And one of them on there did say, try Refresh, REPHRESH, which was a cream. And so I went and got it. At that time, it was $17, but it only lasted 3 days. It did work. And later I noticed every time I went to the doctor, his tools did something, and that worked too. But I thought, I can't afford $17 every 3 days just so that I don't have a bad odor. And I got to researching more, and I thought, well, that said pH in it, refresh with a pH, because that's not how we spell refresh, or the word fresh. And so I thought, I wonder if pH water would work. So I hurried up, and I went to CVS, and I got some pH water, and I brought it home, and I started drinking it. I've always drank a lot of water. We go to restaurants or something, and I order water with my meals, always. And so I started drinking pH water. Here's my core water. Yummy delicious. But I tried so many. Here I've got Sam's Club pH alkaline water. And I've tried so many, but it worked. And so I was so excited. I was telling family. Of course, they thought I was crazy that I had an odor and pH water helped. It, honest to God, did help. But stay to the end because that's not what this video is about. pH water is good and it will help you. One night my son said, "Ma, you do know that there's no scientific science to back up pH water and your health." And I said, "That may be so." I said, "But my body says it's true and my body says it works. So I'm going to listen to my body." So pH water helps so much. It's been 6 years now and I've been drinking pH water all the time. I don't drink, if we go to a restaurant or something, I'll drink their water and I'll get lemon in it because that helps with the alkaline. And if you're having this odor issue, it's nothing you've done. Do not be embarrassed. Well, you're going to be embarrassed because I was embarrassed, but don't blame yourself. It's coming from inside your body. It's how your body works. Has nothing to do with you. And so I was on that channel and I saw how sad it was that everybody, their husbands, their boyfriends, after years were divorcing them and just being mean to them and things like that. And I remember we went to church with a lady that I loved her dearly, but my God, I couldn't stand to sit by her or stand by her or anything. It just, the smell was awful and people would gossip. And now that I know, I think that poor woman, she had a problem. And the doctors told her the same thing, I bet. They probably said, "There's nothing wrong with you. It's just people around you. You're not cleaning yourself," or whatever. That's not true. I even did the pH strips and they said everything was fine. So if the doctors and the pH strips and everything said my body is fine and it's still there, my body is not fine. Okay. So I said all that to say this is a real problem. It may only happen 1 in 1,000 people. I don't know, maybe 1 in 10,000 people. This absolutely may not be for you. And you may be embarrassed even listening to me that somebody could be in this situation. So I beg you, please, please, not for me. Everything I do on YouTube is not for me because you see, I only do YouTube once in a blue moon. But share this video because what I'm about to tell you is going to help somebody. And I promise you, you may not know who's going through this problem. You may never know that someone's going through this problem. But I tell you what, when myself and those other women that are having this issue, you have to wash up and change your underwear 3 and 4 times a day. It's like no matter what you do, and then an hour later you smell it again. It's not this fishy smell. It's not an infection smell. It's nothing like that. It is horrifying. It is so bad. It's like a rotten animal has died, you know where. And the smell is ungodly. So, as far as I'm concerned, when you get, this can happen to young people too. So if your daughter is having issues, do not disregard it. Tell her about this video. Tell the doctor, about the video that I'm showing you. But when you're cleaning up all day long, changing your underwear, you can't go anywhere. Thank God I don't have a husband or another, because I had destined that I was never going to get married again because I didn't want somebody close to me. And, it's really, really embarrassing. It's like, okay, I made sure I showered this morning, but I got to go to the grocery store. Am I going to smell okay until I get back home, until I can wash up again or whatever? Totally, totally horrible, horrible smell that some precious woman out there, some precious grandmother, some precious teenager is going through this, and it's not their fault. Ladies, if this is you and I'm hitting home with you, it is not your fault. There's something going on inside your body. I figured out what's going on inside my body. No doctor would agree with me, but I figured it out. And I would always say that once you hit a certain age or you have a hysterectomy, the doctors say, oh, we don't need to see you anymore. You're no longer in childbearing years. That's the biggest crock I have ever heard in my life. I'm still a woman. I still have things in there that needs things. You need to still go get your yearly checkup because there could be anything going on in there. And if you don't believe me, go to your gynecologist and ask him. So I said all that. Are you ready? Do you want to hear? Please watch to the end and then share it with somebody. I've got my core water again, my pH water. I've tried several pH waters and I drink them. I really do. I got a case of the Sam sitting in there right now, but not all pH waters are the same. So if you want to try the waters, they do cost more than regular water. And I think I forgot to tell you that my odor problem went away within 2 days of changing regular water to the pH water. So after complaining about the doctors not caring for us women in between the age, you're not childbearing, you're no longer in childbearing years, and you're not 80 yet, you're not an elderly that needs to be a geriatric patient, so we don't need to see you anymore. Totally not true. Totally not true. Doctors, if you're listening to me, that is not true. That's a big market, if you think about it, for the babies out there. I mean, the ladies out there between childbearing years and geriatric. But one night I was on my little website. I joined Shackley so that I could get their vitamins because I used to take it years ago, like maybe 45 years ago, something like that, 45 years ago. And they had a product. And when I saw it, I kept reading and reading and reading. And I'm thinking, are you serious? Did somebody finally listen to me? And so they have a product. I was so tickled. It's called Flora and Flow. What a weird name, right? It's like... But it works for your pH, and it's got one ingredient in there that you will never see. I think it's the lactoferrin. It's the one ingredient that you will never see in any other brand, in any other CVS, Walgreens, specialty. None of that. It's very expensive, but I went ahead and ordered it. Because I thought, if this stuff works, I will know and I will tell others. And so it says take 2 a day, but I'm always cautious when I start vitamins and medicine and stuff. I always take half or whatever. So I took 1 a day. My very first capsule of Flora and Flow, my odor was gone. And I thought, well, that could just be, maybe I've drank more water or something than normally. And so then my second day, my odor was gone. And today is the 3rd day after taking these capsules, 1 capsule a day, that my odor is gone. Now, this is what I do. So I guess a disclaimer is I cannot tell you that you need to go get this because it's $55. But it's going to last you 2 months. So that is, about $27 a month? And if you are someone you know has this issue, buy it for them for a gift. They will love you forever. If you can, go get it. I will post my website in here somewhere. But it's called Flora and Flow from Shackley. And I promise you, it took my odor away. I can't promise you that it'll take yours away. So, man, if you know somebody like that, just tell yourself to forward it to every woman. If they come back and say, hey, Jack, what do you think you're doing? There's nothing wrong with me. Fine. But tell them to share them because there is somebody else out there that has a problem with their odor down there. And Flora and Flow, 1 capsule a day, I promise you, 1 capsule a day has helped me. I was in there today. Every time I go to the bathroom, I smell myself. Because I would sit down and it would just be horrible. So every time I go to the bathroom, I spray Febreze. So me, for me, Flora and Flo, it works. Thank you for listening. Please share.